Happy birthday. Celebrating your birthday with your husband can bring various benefits like emotional connection. Celebrating your birthday together allows you and your husband to have an opportunity to express your love, gratitude, and appreciation for each other. Happiness and joy. Birthdays are associated with happiness and joy, where celebration brings a sense of joy and excitement to both of you. It's time to let loose, have fun, and enjoy the festivities, which can boost your mood and overall well-being. Reflection and gratitude. Birthdays often prompt reflection on the past year and contemplation of the future. It can offer an opportunity for introspection, like lessons learned, express gratitude, and goal setting for the coming year. Spiritual nourishment. Celebrating your birthday can have spiritual significance, like it serves as a reminder of the sacredness of life and the importance of cherishing each moment. Starting your birthday day by going to church can deepen your relationship with God and for you and your husband, strengthening your sense of purpose. Ciao, everybody!
Thank you so much for watching our video. Please press like and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And you can follow us on our other social media platforms. Have a great day.